Hello guys, over here. Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Forget smartwatches, the future of wearable is here. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a gadget so sleek and smart. You will forget you are even wearing it. But is this worth the hype? Let's find out. So let's go. This little powerhouse pockets a punch. At first glance, it's just a ring's minimalist, lightweight and super comfortable. But hidden inside, a tech arsenal that's ready to change the game. So what can it do? Let's break it down. Health tracking, it's measure your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and even track your sleep pattern better than most smartwatches. Yep, even that's restless twitching and tuning. Activity monitoring, whether you are crushing a workout or just walk the dog, it's track your step calories and more without you are needed to grab your phone. Oh, and did I mention? It's water resistant, so no worry if you are cut in the rain or diving into the pool. But here's the genius part. It's incredibly discreet, unlike bulky wearables. The Galaxy Ring blend writing. You could be a business meeting or a gym season, and no one would know you are wearing the most advanced trackers on the market. And scanning? Easy. Galaxy Ring pairs seamlessly with Samsung Health app. It's deliver real-time insights straight to your phone. So you are always know what's going on with your body. Data junk rejoice. Battery life solid 7 days on a single charge. That's a whole week of the health tracking without the hassle. Bottom line, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is the like having a personal trainer. Health coach and wellness guru wrap around your finger. Literally, at $399 it's not cheap, but for the tech pocketed inside it's a steal. Ready to level up your wearable game? This ring might just be your next obsession. Check out the link in description below. Hit that like button if you are excited about the Galaxy Ring as we are. And don't forget subscribe and comment for more gadget review that keep you ahead of the curve. See you in the next video.